Have you been bored with your playing? Having a good collection of licks and how to use them in your solos is crucial to becoming a better player. If you like good licks and don't know how to incorporate them into your solos, you are missing a great opportunity to improve your soloing skills. In this video, I will teach you 3 pentatonic blues rock licks and how to apply them to your solos without sounding boring. I'm Rod Rodriguez, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all the new videos notifications. Towards the end of this video, I will share the link for the next video related to this lesson that you should watch. Be sure to stick around until the end. All these licks are in the key of G, and the link to the backing track is in the descriptions. These licks aren't limited to blues. You'll find many rockers like Slash from Guns N' Roses, Joe Perry from Aerosmith, and even Tony Iommi from Black Sabbath playing all this kind of licks. This first lick is played using the first shape of the pentatonic blues scale. You can play this lick in various ways. You might choose to hold the band a bit longer or emphasize different notes in the lick. You can do this with any lick to create different moods for your solo. Or you can play around with this lick by adding some other notes from the scale. It's important for you to know where the notes are in the scales and try different ideas and ways to play those same notes. The next lick is played using the third shape of the scale. You'll find the blue note on the 1st and 4th strings. Now I'm going to play a similar lick over the next shape of the scale. I'm not bending the note on the 3rd string though, just to make it a little easier. You can see that I sort of used the same idea of the lick, but played in a different scale shape. Now I'm going to play around with that same lick and improvise a little bit. In the next one, I will stick to the same idea of playing the same thing over the other shapes. You can also mix all these licks, playing them all together, and you basically have a full solo. You should mix all these ideas, improvise around the lick, play the same lick over different shapes, or hold some notes longer. Combining all of these will add flavor to your solos, and I was sure you won't sound boring. I have an important video that combined with these ideas will boost your solos even more. The link is on the screen. I also have a complete course on blues rock that will help you play better solos with these ideas and more. Find the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you want to learn more about me, my private lessons, and my online courses, please check my website at www.rodrodriguez.net. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.